What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well, staying safe, staying inside. So with all this craziness going on in the world right now and everyone under quarantine, I figured I might as well show you some recipes that use up some of your pantry items that you may or may not have. And the one I'm going to be showing you today is my green onion and kale cornbread. So let's get to it. All right, guys, there it is. This cornbread is really good with anything saucy like chilies or soups or stews. Best way to reheat it, you could pop it in the microwave just for like 10-15 seconds, or you could pop it into a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes. It freezes really well. If you don't want to eat this massive slab of cornbread, you could just cover it in saran wrap and freeze it. And feel free to make it your own. Like when I originally got this recipe at a restaurant I used to work at, it didn't have the kale in it. I just like adding kale to everything, most things that I eat. But yeah, feel free to add bacon, or if you don't have kale, substitute it with spinach or collard greens or whatever you want. If you want cheese, go ahead and add some cheddar cheese or Parmesan or anything that you'd like. But yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna eat half of this now, and I will see you in the next video.